Welcome back, friends. Here in this lecture, we're going to learn about AWS Managed Services. So let's start. With Managed Services on Amazon, you can perform various operation management on infrastructure and other resources on cloud. So here you could provision the various kind of metrics. You have different applications running out in the cloud, and you need to perform certain operations. You have systems monitoring, you have systems management, you have a system security, you have a business continuity, disaster recovery, you have change management, you have the help desk, you have the cloud storage, you have managed backup, you have the hardware procurement. These are all the managed services that you could use on the cloud. It provides ongoing management of your infrastructure on cloud, so you can focus on your application by implementing best practices to maintain your infrastructure. AWS managed services help you reduce your operational overhead and risk. With managed services, you can automate common activities such as change requests, monitoring, patch management, security, backup services, and provide full life cycle services to provision, run, and support your infrastructure. You got different controls to enforce your corporate and security policies to enable you develop solutions and applications using the preferred development approach. You got agility, reduce the cost, and uh, less burden from infrastructure operations. So you can directly research towards differentiating your business from others. So there are different kinds of managed services providers. You could deliver consistent operation management with predictable results, followed by different best practices, and providing tools for automations and increase your efficiency. There could be change management. For example, if you want to deploy an EC2 stack or change the RTS database configuration settings, AWS Managed Services enables you to quickly and easily make a request through a dedicated self-service console. Changes follow a set approval process, and most changes be executed immediately through our automation engine, while others could be scheduled for the later time. You got the change management for any kind of services similar to EC2 or other things. You got incident management where you could set alarms or perform investigations on incidents or different kinds of, so I say EC2 failures or other events that could be recognized for the failure, and you could automatically launch another instance and take appropriate action to minimize or avoid a service interruption. Then we got provision management. With provision management, we got ITSM service catalogs or on-demand provisioning, commonly used for predefined cloud stacks, and we can stand up applications in either test or production environment through self-service portal. We can have a patch management for different environments, say OS vendors like RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Microsoft Windows Server, uh, Amazon Linux AMI, and different patches that could be used timely and consistently to minimize the impact on your business. We have access management to provide rigor and current control by applying AWS security best practices using authentication with IAM, identity and access management, or EC2 security groups, or other managed service simplifies the access management and remove the complexity of managing multiple authentication mechanisms to your corporate data that could be useful. Then we have security management to protect our information assets and keep your security infrastructure secure. We have anti-malware protection. We have intrusion detection and intrusion prevention systems. We got security policies for the stack and ability to quickly recognize and respond to any intrusions. We got continuity management to back up our stacks at scheduled intervals when we define, or in case of event failure or outage or other kinds of impact on business, we can have or restore or backup being implemented on different kinds of data snapshots that could be kept. We have reporting, we got performance metrics or S3 logs, we could perform log operations, we could perform real-time data operations on different kinds of metrics, on different operations or events that may occur. We have ITSM integration The IT service management that could be used for technical assistance, ServiceNow for different tools, out-of-the-box integration that could not be easily categorized in a simple formats. There are huge benefits for like operational excellence, security and governance. It provides you easy to govern your applications. It has great advocacy and support, and the people are there to support you. Uh, there are 24/7 monitoring and support. We have strident SLAs. You have the AWS account management. You got discovery and optimization. You got consultancy in case you are in trouble and your team could not be fixing these things. You have got security checks, you got automated ticketing, you got DevOps automation, and more tools with managed services. The managed services in the previous times used to be hardware-based solution, but these days it is software or cloud-based solutions. It has a utility-based cost these days. Uh, Earlier times, it used to be centralized operations with NOCs, and these days it could be implemented for distributed environment on a service-oriented architecture or SOE. Now we have proactive SLAs. Earlier we also have proactive SLAs, but not for application performance or overall performance, only for device management. AWS managed services provides different kinds of options. You can plan and design, you can migrate and build, you can run, you can optimize at various costs. You got seamless transitions, innovations, and you can work on these things. Uh, so this was a managed services on Amazon Cloud. Try implementing your own solution or manage your different instances running out there in the cloud in a better and desired manner. Keep learning and keep moving ahead.